Every engineering breakthrough starts with a choice. A choice of form, a choice of performance. This is a fully engineered single-axis 1P tracker, designed to operate anywhere in the world. Its foundation starts with a fundamental evolution, from a square torque tube to an octagonal design developed to enhance stiffness, control, and long-term performance. One technology, multiple configurations, from 1 to 4 strings, single and dual row, all seamlessly integrated within the same layout. This new technology is adapted to every project requirements without compromising efficiency or design consistency. Efficiency begins long before installation. Key structural components can be pre-assembled at the factory, reducing on-site time and complexity. The same core components are used across all configurations, simplifying logistics, inventory management, and field operations. Less variability, more control. Where terrain becomes a constraint, engineering becomes the solution. In every configuration, TracSmarT Plus 1P achieves exceptional adaptability to every slope. By following the natural contours of the ground, it significantly reduces OPEX, transforming complex topography into productive solar assets. Designed and tested for real operating conditions, heavy rain, high winds, snow loads with smart hail position for enhanced protection against extreme weather. Total versatility, performance on any terrain, full backtracking by solar steel.